Today, we're making biscuits and gravy with scrambled eggs and turkey bacon. If you're looking for a breakfast in bed idea or just a staple breakfast to prep for the week, then be sure to give this a try. The gravy and biscuits will melt in your mouth, and the turkey bacon is just a great addition for this meal. Breakfast is one of my favorite meals, and there's so many great options. With prices rising these days, making breakfast at home is a great choice to save money, but also still enjoy your favorites. There's a little bit of everything to love here, so let's get cooking. Start by measuring out 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it. Then grate 1 stick of butter. Measure out 3/4 cup of whole milk and mix it all together. Add additional flour as needed. Once it's nice and doughy, we can flatten it out or roll this out into about 3/4 inch thick sheets. Then we can cut circles that'll become our biscuits. Move these to a baking tray covered in parchment paper. Repeat this for the rest of the dough. This recipe makes about 5 biscuits. Then bake in an oven set to 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 minutes or until the tops become golden brown. Let's fry up our turkey bacon. On a pan set to high heat, pan fry 1 pack nice and crispy. Set this cooked bacon aside. While we fry these up, let's also scramble 7 eggs. Eggs can be rather expensive these days, so this is optional, but it makes for a classic breakfast. We'll keep on frying up the rest of the bacon. Then scramble our eggs and add it to our plate. Then add 16 ounces of breakfast sausage. We'll break this up and allow it to fully cook until there's no pink or raw parts left. Once our breakfast sausage is fully cooked, we can add 1/4 cup of flour and toss. Then add 2.5 cups of whole milk. Bring this to a simmer and also add half a teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper. The gravy will thicken up as we bring this to a simmer. Add some gravy to our biscuits, and boom, you have biscuits and gravy with a side of scrambled eggs and turkey bacon. This was a special request, so if you want to see something special, then be sure to let me know in the comments below, and if this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more. We can also then pack this up and put it into a meal prep. This recipe makes about 5 servings or just enough for the weekdays. This is like getting breakfast to go, but even better and cheaper. With prices rising, making breakfast at home just to meal prep is a great option. The gravy is creamy and thick and just goes so well with the biscuits. The turkey bacon adds a light smoky flavor, and the eggs just are fantastic. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.